Hello sir. Uh, in the before videos you will be able to know the parts in the transmitter as well as how to insert the batteries and what is present in the other side of the transmitter like antenna and also a chip which will be transmitting the signals. And also in this video I will be saying about how to mount and I have also already described in the previous video how to mount the transmitter along with the flange which is provided in the receiving unit transmitter unit with the pig which you will be using for the pigging service. In this video I will be sharing how to receive signals from the transmitter, like if it is in a working condition how you will be receiving the signals. In the next video I will be sharing how to configure the frequency and how to change the modes of usage, and also how to configure how to use the configurator software. In this video there is an assumption. I need you to assume that this transmitter along with the flange is being fitted in a pig for an instance, and I am going to start the pigging service. First you need to make sure that using the before procedure which I listed in the previous video, you need to fix the transmitter along with the flange in the pig, and then you need to open the battery side. Before fixing the transmitter along with the flange in the pig, you need to insert the batteries before the start of pigging, and then fix the flange in the transmitter housing in the pig, and then you need to transmit it. By inserting the battery itself, the transmitter will start its operation. And if you are going to see, if you start the pigging service, you would be needing to know the location of the pig, whether it has traveled in the launcher or receiver or in any unit. Example, if you see in the receiver there are three modes of operation. If you see in this, you can be able to see that there are pinpointing mode, and then the walking mode and the stationary mode. In this pinpointing, it is like that. In the pinpointing mode, you would be telling that the pinpointing mode, you would be able to pinpoint the location of the transmitter. Example, if in a launcher, if the pig has passed the major barrel and then it is going to in the reducer, it has been fixed, you can be able to find the location at that instance by pinpointing the transmitter receiver at the reducer. You can be, if the pig is in the reducer, you can be able to find the exact location. And then in the walking mode, you can be able to find the walking location. The location of the pig, the movement. If you are going to walk and then detect the location, it would be able to help you. And then the stationary, you would be standing still, and then the movement of the pig, you can be able to capture it. These are the three modes which are being available. And in the pig configurator, in the pig, you need to see that as manufactured, it would be having the 22 Hz standard operating frequency, and also in the optimal life. In that condition, you would be obtaining. If you are going to do for a long run, you are going to utilize it with the maximum life mode. For that, you need to change the mode. For changing that, how you would be able to change it? That for that configuration, you would be using the field link. Using this field link, you can be able to change the configurations of the transmitter. This is how the receiver works with the transmitter. If you see that, you need to find a video. You are doing a pigging, for instance, and the pig has been launched from the launcher, it is being going through the major barrel, and then it will be going through the reducer. If the pick signaler or pick tracker at the spot is not popped up, you can be able to find that it has been stuck in the reducer by switching on the receiver and then pinpointing mode you need to use in the receiver, and then by pointing the receiver to the reducer, you can be able to find the location of the transmitter, example, like that. That's a simple instance only. You need to fix the transmitter along with the flange in the pick, and then you need to insert the batteries before the fixing of the transmitter in the pick. That you need to make sure. First you need to fix the insert the batteries, then you need to connect the transmitter along the flange provided, and then you need to fix the transmitter along the flange in the pick which you are going to use, and then once you fix it, the transmitter will be on, and during the picking service you can be able to detect the position or signal using the receiver. Using 3 modes it will be available: pinpointing, walking and stationary modes, which you can be able to transfer. And in a general standard transmitter unit, the 22 Hz will be the standard operating frequency. If you need to configure it, you will be using the configurator to change the settings, as well as if you want to change the power controls and the frequencies, you need to make changes in the configurator's application or software using the computer and in the field link. That's all. Also, I will be saying that in the next video I will be saying about how to configure the settings in the transmitter. For that, you need to do the following setup in this video itself. You need to insert the batteries insert the batteries, and also pinpoint this side to the field link. You need to insert the field link, which is of a USB type insert, and you can be able to insert the field link switch, field link USB type device in your computer with either Windows 7 or Windows 8 configuration. Once you insert this, application will be popped up in order to install it. For that installation, you need to keep the transmitter near the field link which you had inserted, so that only the configuration will be taking place. In the next video, I will be telling about the configuration, how to change the settings. Thank you.